This walkthrough will convey how to set up a parent so they can use the check-in kiosk for their child. First thing you need to do is to go to the parent's profile in the student section. Find and edit the parent, ensure that they have a home phone number in the profile. Click on the Assign Self-PIN button, this will create a custom PIN. Be sure to write that down. It's shown only once and auto-generated. Parents use their home phone number and PIN in the check-in kiosk, found by clicking the Attendance Mode button at the top of the screen. Once the parent enters their home phone number and PIN, they'll just click the button that says Check-in, enter any notes if necessary, then press the Submit button to mark their child in for the day. To check their child out, they repeat the process of entering their home phone number, PIN, and clicking Check Out. There's also the option for parents to do contactless check-in and out by QR code. As the system administrator, you can enable this feature by going to Admin, System Variables, and clicking the green Create New System Variable button. Create a code called Enable Kiosk QR Code, set the type to Company Profile, and the description to Yes. Once you save this code, you'll see a QR code for parents to use on the Attendance Mode kiosk. Parents will now have the option to use the keypad and PIN to check their children in and out, or they can open CRAFTS on their smartphone, click the green Sign In Out with QR code button which launches the camera on their phone so they can check their children in via QR code. If you have any issues with setting up your system, please reach out to support. Thank you for watching. Take care.